to another video. It's your girl Mary MC, and of course by the title you guys already know what we're getting into today. So this video is brought to us by Westkiss. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. And of course you guys can tell by this lovely unit that they sent, this hair is super flowy and so bouncy. So if you want to see how I achieved this deep side part look with this beautiful body wave hair, please stay tuned and keep on watching. All details on this unit will be listed down below in the description, so feel free to check that out. But yes, guys, let's get into this video.
We'll arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guys I sacrificed, cause I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love without it. Damn, I loved you. You were my girl. You see, thought the world of you, but you're so steady, baby. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to call. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. Boogie tonight, 'cause I'm honestly too young of a guy. Stay home, waiting for love. So tonight, oh girl, your face is saying why. Tears and knives, should've been more smart about it. Should've cherished me. Listen.